how the years they seem to go by, and I'm still leaning on this desk, convinced myself that I could keep on going, 'cause there's music in my chest. I know there's people walking by my room who struggle to find my point of view, and some days, yeah, I struggle with that too. How many years am I willing to let go by before I accept the truth? 13 writers in a room, and not a single drop of sweat. Just make believing that this ain't something normal people do, but they haven't seen me yet. 'Cause I've been working almost every day, and some of it may never play, but listen up, 'cause this is what I do. How many years are they willing to let go by before they accept the truth?